Well, today we're out here, it's the fall time. We're just a few days away from November here. The water has really cooled down, but we're on one of these slough type lakes, basically a lake that is very shallow. On this particular lake here, 6-7 feet is the deepest parts. And so what you have happen when this water cools down around here in the fall is a lot of fish gravitate towards the rocks because that is where the warmth is. And so that is one thing really nice about these big featureless lakes is it really condenses a lot of fish into small areas, especially in the fall with them seeking that warm water. So really once those water temperatures get down below, it seems like at 55 degrees or so, a lot of those fish that are roaming the mud and roaming the featureless basin start pulling into these rock areas. But to me, this fall time frame really congregates a lot of fish just like it does in the spring, and we're taking advantage of these warm days here this fall.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.